In the next units, we'll be concentrating on how to talk about the past and Gymraeg. In the school setting, we'll be discussing past activities and what you have been doing with the children. So these patterns that we'll look at will come in good use. The Welsh word for to do or to make is gwneud. Say it after me. Gwneud. Ardderchog. So now let's get started with gwneud as we learn how to talk about what we have done and made in the past. We'll firstly start with a T question. Be wnes ti? Means what did you do? Or what did you make? You try it. Be wnes ti? Very often in North Wales, we'll drop the W sound when saying wnest, and you'll more likely hear be wnes ti. To answer by saying I did something or I made something, say mi wnes I. Followed by a soft mutation, a treiglad meddal in the next word. Here are some examples. Mi wnes I lun. I made a picture. Mi wnes I ddyn eira. I made a snowman. Mi wnes i'r gacen. I made the cake. To answer by saying I didn't do something or I didn't make something, say wnes I ddim. There's no treiglad following ddim. Here are some examples. Wnes I ddim llun. I didn't make a picture. Wnes I ddim dyn eira. I didn't make a snowman. Wnes I ddim y gacen. I didn't make the cake. Da iawn chi. Now we'll try a question with fo, him, he, her, or a person's name in it. Be wnaeth o means what did he do? Or what did he make? You try it. Be wnaeth o? Be wnaeth hi means what did she do? Or what did she make? You try it. Be wnaeth hi? Be wnaeth Leo means what did Leo do? Or what did Leo make? You try it. Be wnaeth Leo? Of course, with this question, you can change Leo for any person's name. As previously stated, the W sound disappears in spoken Welsh. So you're likely to hear be wnaeth o or be wnaeth hi. To answer, your sentences will start with these words. Mi wnaeth. Mi wnaeth o batrwm. He made a pattern. Mi wnaeth hi freichled. She made a bracelet. Mi wnaeth Leo lanast. Leo made a mess. To answer by saying what they didn't make or didn't do, use wnaeth ddim. Here are some examples. Wnaeth o ddim patrwm. He didn't make a pattern. Wnaeth hi ddim breichlet. She didn't make a bracelet. Wnaeth Leo ddim llanast. Leo didn't make a mess. Da iawn chi amdani.